Heads up sneaker fam, in this video I'll be showing you the basic principle behind fixing a hole in a pair of Yeezy 350s. My name is Footprints and I'd like to thank you for watching. Now let's begin this tutorial. The first thing that's done to close a hole is to put a sturdy piece of fabric behind the hole. For this, I chose a piece of woven-like fabric similar to Cadora. Next, glue is applied onto the fabric of the interior of the sneaker, as well as onto the piece. We use a pair of precision tweezers to close the hole. We'll let the shoe sit and dry for about an hour to an hour and a half. Next, we'll get a shoe patcher sewing machine using leather thread that's the same color as the shoe. And we'll sew along the seam of the sneaker following the pattern of the weave as much as possible. Next, we'll apply some quick drying clear glue to the outsole and the fabric of the shoe. We're going to allow that to dry for 7 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to make the connection to the sneaker. I'll be using a pair of precision tweezers here to push the fabric in to avoid loose ends and fraying as we connect the uppers to the outsole. And after that, we're all done. If you would like to learn more about sewing sneakers and shoes without machinery, please go take a look at all my ebooks and PDFs on my site. Links will be in the description or in the comments. In this step-by-step ebook sewing tutorial, you'll see all the tools and techniques used to resew sneakers and shoes. The table of contents includes sewing basics, midsole stitching, restitch on uppers and heel cup, sock liner repair, sock liner custom, tongue replacement, and restitching the toe cap. Here's a sample about tongue replacement in the book. You'll learn what materials are needed for the replacement, some insight about measurements, along with my personal sewing hacks to help you along the way. Please sign up for a free e-membership discount card and receive your free ebook, plus monthly and weekly sale and flash sale offers on all ebooks, PDFs, and sneaker restoration products. The link to your free ebook and discount membership card will be in the comments or in the description. Refer a friend to any ebooks, PDFs, or sneaker restoration products, and you'll get 15% off, and they'll get 15% off too. And please join our share program where you can get paid to share sneaker restoration products. Again, thank you. My name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in re-glues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available, and I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned. And thank you again.